Ever wondered how AI models understand and respond to your queries? Curious about fine-tuning your AI interactions for better results? If so, this is the right video for you. Welcome to WhiteboardDoodles, the channel where we simplify tech-related concepts using whiteboard animations. Today, we'll break down the basics of prompt engineering. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to craft effective prompts, unlocking your AI's full potential. Let's dive in. First, let's briefly take a look at what prompt engineering is. Prompt engineering involves creating clear and effective instructions that guide AI models like chatbots and virtual assistants to give accurate responses. For instance, when you talk to Siri or Google Assistant, how you ask your question affects how well they understand and reply. Mastering prompt engineering means tweaking these instructions so AI can interpret them correctly and quickly provide the information or action you're looking for. It's crucial for enhancing customer service, analyzing data effectively, and making learning experiences more personalized, thereby maximizing AI's practical applications in daily tasks. Now let's delve into what a prompt entails. A prompt serves as a specific command or question that directs AI systems to generate responses. For instance, it could be a query like, "What is the capital of France?" or an instruction such as, "Translate this text into Spanish." The precision of a prompt is pivotal as it directly influences how AI systems interpret and respond to requests. Through natural language processing, prompts are translated into commands that AI systems can comprehend and execute. For those interested in delving deeper into natural language processing, you can find more insights in our video on this topic linked in the description below. Now that we know what a prompt is, let's quickly take a look at the basic principles we should keep in mind when creating prompts. There are three main principles: clarity, specificity, and context. By applying these principles, we can efficiently communicate our demands to AI systems and receive appropriate responses. Let's analyze each of them individually. Clarity in prompt engineering is fundamental for ensuring that AI systems accurately interpret and respond to user inputs. When prompts are clear, they eliminate ambiguity and leave little room for misinterpretation, which helps the AI generate precise and relevant outputs. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about history," a clearer prompt would be, "Provide a summary of the causes of the American Civil War." By crafting prompts that are straightforward and unambiguous, users can enhance the efficiency of AI interactions, resulting in more reliable and useful responses. Clarity ensures that the AI understands exactly what is being asked, minimizing confusion and improving overall communication. Next, we have specificity. Specificity in prompt engineering is crucial for guiding AI systems to deliver precise and detailed responses. When prompts are specific, they provide clear context and narrow down the scope of the request, which helps the AI focus on the exact information or action required. For instance, rather than asking, "Tell me about technology," a more specific prompt would be, "Explain the impact of smartphones on modern communication." This level of detail helps the AI avoid vague or broad answers, ensuring that the outputs are more accurate and tailored to the user's needs. Specific prompts enhance the effectiveness of AI interactions by directing the system to address precise topics or tasks. And lastly, we have context. Context in prompt engineering is essential for enabling AI systems to understand the full scope of a request and generate appropriate responses. Providing sufficient context within prompts helps the AI grasp the background and nuances of the query, leading to more relevant and accurate outputs. For example, instead of simply asking, "What is Python?" a prompt with context would be, "What is the Python programming language used for in data science?" This additional information allows the AI to focus on the intended subject and provide more precise answers. By embedding context within prompts, users can improve the AI's comprehension and ensure its responses are well aligned with their specific needs and expectations. Now that we understand the basic principles, let's dive into the different types of prompt engineering methods. There are 8 main types: zero-shot learning, one-shot learning, few-shot learning, chain-of-thought prompting, iterative prompting, negative prompting, hybrid prompting, and prompt chaining. We'll explore each method and provide examples to illustrate how they work. So, let's get started. First, we have zero-shot learning. Zero-shot learning is a method in prompt engineering where an AI model generates responses to queries without being provided with specific examples or prior training on the exact task. Instead, the model leverages its pre-existing knowledge to understand and answer the prompt. For instance, asking the AI, "What are the benefits of renewable energy?" without any prior examples or context provided specifically for this query exemplifies zero-shot learning. This approach is useful for generating responses in unfamiliar or new scenarios, relying on the AI's broad knowledge base. Next, we have one-shot learning. One-shot learning is a method where an AI model is provided with a single example to understand and perform a task. For instance, consider the prompt. Explain the principles of aerodynamics using the example of how airplane wings generate lift. Here, the AI uses the specific example of airplane wings to generalize and articulate the broader concept of aerodynamics. This method allows the AI to leverage minimal input to generate comprehensive responses, demonstrating its ability to apply existing knowledge to new and specific contexts effectively. Up next, we have few-shot learning. Few-shot learning is a prompt engineering method where an AI model is given a few examples to learn from and perform a task. Unlike one-shot learning, which relies on a single example, few-shot learning provides multiple instances to help the model better understand the task at hand. For example, a prompt might be, "Summarize the following sentences. The cat sat on the mat. The feline rested on the rug. The sun is shining. The star is bright. Now, summarize. The dog barked loudly." This approach allows the AI to generalize from a handful of examples, enhancing its ability to apply learned knowledge to new, similar tasks efficiently. Next, we have chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting involves an AI model generating responses based on a sequence of interconnected prompts. Unlike one-shot or few-shot learning, which focus on individual prompts, chain of thought prompting builds coherence across multiple prompts. For example, starting with a prompt on climate change mitigation strategies, the AI could then discuss renewable energy sources and their environmental benefits, followed by the impact of governmental policies on adoption rates. A chain of thought prompt could be, "Explain the role of solar energy in combating climate change, highlighting its environmental benefits and government support." This method allows the AI to maintain context and depth, enhancing its ability to provide comprehensive responses by exploring related topics in a logical sequence. Now let's explore iterative prompting. This method involves refining and improving AI responses through successive iterations of prompts and feedback. Iterative prompting allows the AI to iteratively adjust its responses based on user feedback or additional prompts. For example, starting with a basic prompt about smartphone brands such as "List popular smartphone brands," the AI could refine its responses through iterative prompts like, "Which brand is known for its camera quality?" This method enables the AI to continuously enhance the accuracy and relevance of its outputs over multiple interactions, resulting in more tailored and effective responses. Now let's discuss negative prompting. Negative prompting involves guiding an AI model by specifying what it should avoid or exclude in its responses. Unlike traditional prompts that steer the AI towards desired actions or information, negative prompting sets boundaries by excluding certain types of content. For example, starting with a prompt like, "List the benefits of fast food, but don't mention anything about calories," directs the AI to focus on the positives of fast food without addressing the health concerns. This method ensures that AI responses adhere closely to specified guidelines, improving accuracy and relevance by keeping out undesired information. It helps refine the AI's outputs, ensuring more precise and customized responses based on defined criteria or constraints. Next, we have hybrid prompting. Hybrid prompting combines elements from different prompting methods to guide AI models in generating responses. By blending approaches such as zero-shot, few-shot learning, and chain-of-thought prompting, hybrid prompting leverages the strengths of each to enhance AI performance. For instance, you might start with a few-shot prompt providing the AI with context, such as, "Here's a list of healthy breakfast ideas: oatmeal with fruits, scrambled eggs with vegetables," and then follow with a prompt like, "Now explain the nutritional benefits of each option." This example combines few-shot learning, which provides initial context and examples, with chain-of-thought prompting, where the AI is prompted to continue the discussion based on the initial context provided. This method allows for more flexible and robust interactions, as it can adapt to various tasks and requirements by integrating multiple techniques, resulting in more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. And lastly, we have prompt chaining. Prompt chaining involves linking sequential prompts to guide AI models in generating cohesive and detailed responses. Unlike standalone prompts, prompt chaining maintains continuity by building upon previous prompts. For example, starting with a prompt like define machine learning, followed by explain supervised learning techniques, and concluding with compare supervised and unsupervised learning, forms a chain that progressively deepens the AI's understanding and response complexity. This method allows AI to break down complex requirements into smaller units and combine the individual prompt outputs to achieve the final result. Now that we've explored the common prompting techniques, it's essential to consider how these methods are applied in practice. Users often face challenges when interacting with AI, such as using vague or overly broad prompts that lead to inaccurate or incomplete responses. In the following chapter, we'll examine specific examples that highlight these common mistakes and show how applying the right prompting techniques can greatly enhance AI interactions. Let's dive in. Number 1. Prompts like, "Help me with chemistry." This prompt is vague and lacks specificity. An improved version would be something like, "Explain the process of balancing chemical equations using examples." The improved prompt provides specific instructions, enabling the AI to understand the task clearly and provide relevant information. Number 2. Prompts like, "I need a new phone." This prompt is ambiguous and lacks context. A better prompt would be, "Recommend a smartphone under $500 with good camera quality and long battery life." The improved prompt provides specific criteria, helping the AI to recommend suitable options based on defined requirements. Number 3. Prompts like, "How to make money online?" This prompt is overly broad and lacks clarity. A more suitable prompt would be, "What are practical ways to earn passive income online without investing large sums?" This version is more specific and a lot clearer. And number 4. Prompts like, "Fix my computer." Prompts like this lack detail and specificity. A better prompt would be, "Diagnose why my PC crashes when I launch certain applications and suggest troubleshooting steps." This version adds more detail and specificity. In conclusion, prompt engineering plays a pivotal role in enhancing communication with AI by refining how users interact and receive responses. By crafting clear and specific prompts, users can effectively convey their intentions, allowing AI systems to deliver accurate and relevant information. This approach not only improves the efficiency of AI interactions, but also ensures that responses align closely with user expectations. As AI continues to integrate into daily tasks and industries, mastering prompt engineering remains essential for maximizing its potential and achieving seamless communication between humans and machines. This marks the end of our exploration of prompt engineering. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Feel free to also check out our other videos on related topics. Thank you for watching.